13. Yes, 13 to 28 degrees. This includes any area that you live in the purple. 46 degrees in Tucson right now, 42 if you are in the Safford area, 41 in Nogales, 47 for Marana, 41 in Benson, and 36 degrees if you live in the Bisbee area on Mount Bigelow here. Taking a live look here at our satellite radar, we are dry. We're not tracking any type of rainfall, no snowfall, not even any clouds in sight. That's all going to change later on in the week. We'll talk about that in a second. But first, if you're going to dust off the grill, I say skip the grill, and I say just go for the soup because it's going to be cold. 48 if you are by that 5 o'clock hour, 42 by 6, and by 7 o'clock at night, 37 degrees. Our overnights, look at you in Douglas, 14 degrees, 22 in Nogales, 23 for Sierra Vista, and 27 for our friends in the Tucson area. It is going to be a clear night, but a cold one. That hard freeze warning. I'll let you know more details on the way, guys. A 3-dog, or maybe if you have another one, toss them in the bed too. It's going to be a cold one, folks, especially if you live in Cochise County. But look at this, for us here in town, we will see 27 degrees for overnights. Douglas 14, woo, chilly. Pierce 16, even colder if you're in the Wilcox area. 21 for Bisbee, 24 for our friends up in Oracle, 23 for you in Avra Valley, 22 for you in Nogales, 18 for Tubac, 20 in Sassabee, 23 for Sierra Vista, and 23 again for Avra Valley. That hard freeze warning going to effect at midnight. It's going to continue as you sleep, and then it will expire at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. This includes the purple area. So if you live in any of these areas, which if you're watching, you definitely do. And that's why it's a first alert action night ranging from 13 to 28 degrees. Again, like we were talking just moments ago, don't forget about the peas, the people, the pets. Make sure those lands are covered, and then of course make sure that those pipes are wrapped. You don't want to wake up to a mess tomorrow morning. 46 degrees right now in Tucson, 41 if you're in Nogales, 47 for our friends in Marana, 42 if you're in Safford, 41 over in Benson. Just temperatures just barely even above that freezing degree mark if you're in the Bisbee area. Our radar clear and dry, not even tracking any type of cloud coverage right now. We will be tracking another storm though. We do have to wait until Thursday. In the meantime, enjoy lots of sunshine and cold temperatures. Let's time it around that 1:15 hour mark. That's when we'll see that valley rain in Tucson and then parts of Green Valley all the way up to our friends in Casa Grande over in Ajo. We'll see a little bit of sleet though if you're in Safford, and then again Sierra Vista, Nogales, Douglas on the dry side. It's not going to last much longer at all until we get into that afternoon hour around 4 o'clock. That's when we'll start to see some of the snow make its way into the higher elevations. This includes Safford, Sierra Vista, a little bit of Nogales. Sleet though for us here in the Tucson metro area and Green Valley. So yeah, mountain snow. Look at that blue. That's exactly what that is. That snow that we will be tracking on Thursday. We'll also be tracking those rain totals as well. 0.08 of an inch is what's predicted according to our GFS model. Greater though if you are in Santa Cruz and Cochise County. Again, that's on Thursday. Future snowfall, of course, 1 to 3 inches. Of course, higher 3 to 6 in the higher elevations. Speaking of Mount Lemmon, look at Summerhaven. Of course, there are some restrictions, so do listen to that, please. 5 inches of snow that we saw on Mount Lemmon over the weekend. Tomorrow's forecast very similar to what we saw today when it comes to lots of sunshine and those cooler temperatures. We'll see temps in the 50s and 49 for Sierra Vista for tomorrow's daytime highs, along with lots of sunshine. First alert action night, though, this evening, 27 degrees, so do bundle up. The 60s do make a comeback on your Wednesday. That 50% chance